on the new interface for Avalonix Premium Series IP cameras. I'm logged into the web interface. This is how I'm setting the time on my camera. And this is actually for a customer, in fact. So once you're logged into the web interface, and this is the new web interface of the newer generation IP cameras, you go into System by clicking this gear icon and then go to date and time. And right now this camera is Eastern Standard. The correct time is actually 1:37 p.m., but for some reason it's not following the correct time. So what I'm going to do is, since this camera is connected to the internet, I'm going to switch it to NTP, which is a national time protocol to keep time correct. So I'm going to switch it to that. Make sure it's selected. In your case, if it's not Eastern Standard Time, select the correct time zone, and then you can select the time format you want to have. This is the way we usually do it. And then enable DST, which is for daylight savings time. So enable that, select week, and then here you will select March and November, March 2nd week, Sunday. You want to choose 2 a.m., 2 a.m., Sunday here as well. And that's what the correct settings should look like in your case. And hit apply. And it just said, are you sure you want to do that? Because it'll automatically synchronize time with the time server. Yes, I do. And then hit refresh to see if it updated the time. And in this case, it did. Now it says 13:39, which is 1:39 p.m., August 14th. And here on my PC clock on my Mac, it's saying that's the correct time as well. So this camera is now set to the correct time. I can go here, and actually I can just go to live right over here and then look at the video. It'll have a timestamp, and that is the correct time. That's how you set the time and daylight savings time on your Avalonix Premium Series IP camera. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.